Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants, and here I am with Modest Bell. You were a patient of mine about 13 months ago, so happy anniversary. How are you doing?
I'm doing really good, really good. Amazing. Love my results, of course.
How was your experience 13 months ago?
So when I got in there, I was not prepared for what was about to happen. I read all the comments, researched everything, people that went to you, of course, and I got only positive feedback. So I knew I was in good hands. But when I got in the office, I was nervous because I was just like, oh my God, this is a large surface area. My hair has been damaged for so many years. I was already told that they're dead completely and that this was kind of my only option. And then I finally got the confidence when you were showing me, okay, this is what we're going to work with and this is how it's going to look. So 13 months ago, I wasn't ready. The experience was, it was extreme, but so worth it.
And the energy in the room, the atmosphere in the room.
Oh, I love the whole staff. From the minute I walked in the door, so much love, so much, everybody was sharing my vision on what I wanted to see, which is my hairline growing back, getting back healthy, seeing a new me, a reformed me.
And now, what are your friends and family, for people who knew that you went through the procedure, what are people saying about your results? What about your confidence?
They are shocked because at first my mom did not want me to go through with it whatsoever. She was just like, no, that's crazy. Live with it, right? And then she's like, wow, it really grew back. It really grew back and it looks amazing.
So now you wake up in the morning, you don't have to go ahead and hide anything from people. You don't have to wear a piece. You don't have to wear a wrap. How relaxed are you now that you don't have to go through the morning routine?
I'm super relaxed. It brought so much confidence back. Like, oh my God, I can actually comb my hair. Yes, it's there. So completely happy with the results.
And your incision site?
I don't think you can see it. I rarely could feel it. But I know it's there only because I went through the experience. But besides that, rarely.
So I'm going to have you go ahead and just turn to the left and hold. And now turn to your right. And I love what you're doing with your hair there. Yup. And then look straight at me and put your chin down just a little bit. And again, you look absolutely amazing. If you had somebody who's on the fence about going to get a hair transplant, what would you say?
Listen, I've had 3 people already contact me. So I do have some references already where they damaged their hairline through hairstyles and everything. So she's going to tell her family, and her family's going to come because it's not just her and her sisters as well. So I'm letting people know, listen, you don't have to deal with it just because it became damage and the alopecia exists. You can do something about it.
Well, you look absolutely amazing, and I thank you so much for sharing your experience with the world. This really is incredible. You look amazing. You know that you have my personal cell phone number, so if you ever have any questions, any needs, you will definitely call me. And again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. I thank Molly's Bell for offering to do a video for us, and you look amazing, and congratulations and happy anniversary.
Thank you. And I can't say this, I'm actually considering procedure number 2.
And to go from 40% density to 100%, 80% density.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah. Awesome.
You look amazing, and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.